welcome back again, guys. Today is Saturday. This is like 1:44. Yeah, and you guys, I'm taking you guys to go view a house. Like, houses in Bristol ain't cheap at all. Like, you can't even compare it to a lot of cities. I think is more in London, more expensive in London, but Bristol is that city that is really getting very expensive. And I've got a subscriber of mine that is relocating from another city into Bristol, and they want me to view a house for them, so I'll carry you guys along. Let's go. I'm gonna make a video and
keep left onto the A4174 towards Emerson's Green South.
I'm gonna make a video and send to them, but let's just go view this house and know if it is actually worth the price. And you tell me in your city, wherever you live, if you're living in London, I mean, like if you're living in the UK or even in America, wherever you're living, or even in Nigeria, let's compare the prices and just know if Bristol is cheap. Because to be honest, I'm one of those people that feel like houses are really expensive in Bristol. When I compare it to what I hear, sorry, the GPS. When I compare it to what I hear my friends living in other cities, you know, pay, I just feel like Bristol is expensive.
To keep left onto the A4174 towards
Bristol is honestly trying to compete with London. Like, Bristol is competing with London, to be honest. Anyways, guys, let's go and see. And Kaima is there with me. Kaima is here with me. Kaima, do you want to say hello?
at the next light.
Yeah, Kaima is here with me, and my husband is driving. So, guys, yeah, let's go view this house and see. Okay, it's a 2-bedroom. So guys, we're done viewing clean, and the house is really, really cute. Very beautiful. And I just love the fact that it's two toilets. They have a master's toilet in the master's bedroom, and then they have another one. I just love that fact. And the house is, price wise, I think it's okay. It's £1,095, guys. I think the house is okay, so I'm gonna ask the people that sent me that if it's fine by them, then they should go for it. For me, I love the house. I don't even mind. Yeah, guys, right now I'm at the laundry. Because my washing machine is bad, and I've requested for a new one from the insurance company that I insured it with. So I've actually picked a new one. I'll be expecting that in few days to come, but right now I brought some clothes. It's in the car. We're coming to wash those clothes, and I have some curtains to wash also. So yeah. So while our clothes is washing, Morrison is very close to where we're washing our clothes, and we decided to just come and chill and eat something. Come on, let me see your burger. Wow.
It's a double quarter pound.
Guys, come and join me. So guys, yeah, I'm on a weight loss journey. This is for me. And this is for me. So just trying to eat healthy and lose a little more flesh. Kema is having the biggest burger I've seen in months. Kema, how many this thing? 1, 2. Kema is having double whopper, like double, and it's very, very big. It's even bigger than Daddy's own.
No.
Daddy is not a family member.
Yeah.
What did Daddy do?
Daddy said I need a family now. I'm going.
You don't have family.
No, I have family. I'm going.
Guys, food is ready. Come and eat. So this is ribs and corn. Come and eat. Everyone is ready. Obi, are you ready?
I'm sitting.
Keke, are you ready? Kim, are you ready?
Yes, I'm sitting ready.
Amen.
Mama, I did cheese.
Obi, you ready?
Mom, why you put some bones in the chips?
Some corn? Corn, because corn is good for the body.
He said, why did you put some bones in the chips? This is not chips.
It's not bones, it's ribs.
Ribs?
So Grandma says she's not eating again till tomorrow. Grandma has had enough food for today. So I'm gonna remove. Grandma will not eat corn. I'm gonna take some ribs and keep for her for tomorrow.
Mommy, I'm actually a big guy.
You?
Yes.
Of course, I know you're a big
One.
girl.
Into that movie I watched yesterday.
Someone just called us for a family meeting.
I'm gonna be doing this more often, don't you know? Okay, so I'm starting now. I love my family so much. My parents.
Kara, what is the topic of the family? As in, what is the meeting all about?
The meeting is all about like family.
Setting
time,
family rules.
family time, family rules.
The topic Is it the topic?
Right.
No, the queer the busy
I need
all
to write
about.
a title.
That is.
You want to add a title? Kaima called us for family meeting, fam. We're just here chilling, relaxing, trying to watch a movie, and Kaima said she wants us to have a family
And
meeting.
you guys kept annoying me for half a minute.
Me, that I want to watch Netflix. I want to watch Netflix, not YouTube. And somebody called me for family meeting. The beginning.
I love my family so much. My parents are the best people ever. My brothers are really annoying, but I love them so much. My grandma is amazing, and I love my dad so dearly. Amazing dad. And my mom is kind and a good cook. I love you all. Family time.
I love you, Kaima. Okay, now you've said your own. Is that all? Can I say what I want for the family? Okay, now what I want for the family. You're listening, right? Obi, are you listening? Obi, if you can stop the
Can I
noise.
have another family meeting in another minute if I need?
Okay, now family rules, Kaima. I want to add one more rule to the family rules. Obi, wait. I'm gonna attend to you. I'm giving you a headache.
Yeah.
Sorry. I'm gonna add. So what I want for the family, Kaima, what I want for the family is that you and your brothers, you people will be going to bed early, and then prayers before bed. And another thing I really want us to be doing is that before bedtime, if it is the day that you're not having shower in the evening, you're gonna brush your teeth, wash your 2 hands before going to change your night clothes and go to bed. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Because you're older. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Obi, see the new family rules now. I'm lying down here with Obi, guys. The new family rules now, Obi, is that you brush your teeth, listen to me, and stop.
Wait, Mommy, can you repeat that?
Stop acting funny.
I'm gonna write it all down here. I write it, clean your hands, pray before bed.
Yeah, you clean your hands, brush your teeth. Teeth is very, very important. All right. You will not be missing to brush your teeth. All right. Obi, are you gonna be brushing your teeth?
No.
You know? Did you say? You don't know. I'm asking Obi. Obi, are you gonna be brushing your teeth? And Obi said he doesn't know. Is there enough of the family meeting, sweetheart? Okay, me and Obi were chilling here. Mwah.
Diaper when you sleep, you know.
Do you have a heart?
So you have to
No drawing on the walls. That's the most important one.
Yeah. No drawing on the walls.
Oh, don't look at that. I'm still doing that one.
Okay.